Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. Mucki's here. He's my best friend. He's so honest. Mucki. You're fine? Yes. You know, Mommy works on YouTube. Make videos and shorts. You know it, yes. But some people are bad. And it's ugly. There's so much envy on YouTube. But you don't understand it because you are not envy. I know you are sad without Flocky, yes. That's terrible. Not envy people. Yes, Muckele. Oh, he is so cute and sweet. Mucki, I love you. You are so wonderful. Yeah. Mucki and I wish you a good day without envy.